What's going on, guys? Welcome back by the channel. You're at WW Mods. My name is Will, and today we have another product review for you. If you look in the background back there, you'll see that the Camaro's sitting there all nice and shined up, but I'm not happy with the shine on those tires. If you're like me, you're always looking for something that actually gives you a good shine and doesn't sling all the way down the side of the car every time you pull out of the driveway. So today we're going to be trying the Adams Graphite tire dressing, and we're going to see how it holds up. They advertise that it was long lasting, doesn't sling, gives you a great shine, so we're going to test that and find out. So guys, with all that being said, let's get busy. Alright guys, welcome back. First thing we got to do is prep these tires. But I'm going to give you a look at how they look right now. And the tire dressing that's on there now is okay, but it just doesn't have the shine that I'm looking for. Like I say, it's alright, it doesn't sling, it stays on there, but it just doesn't have that pop effect, that wow factor that you look for after you've done detailed your car. So anyway, take a look. Alright, as you can see, the product is on there, but it leaves a little oily film. See, and I'm not really happy with that. Although it does last a long time, I'm not satisfied with that shine. So we're going to prep this tire. We're going to wash it a couple of times and get all the old tire dressing off, and we are going to test the new product. So I better get busy. All right, everybody, I've got my tools out. I'm going to be using some bleach white and some purple power diluted down to about 50-50, and I'm going to use the pressure washer and this brush, and we're going to strip the old tire dressing off. I want to make sure I get it all off so we can get a true test. So keep watching. Alright guys, I'm satisfied that all of the tire dressing has been removed. As you can see, it's not coming off of my fingers anymore, so we're going to give that just another minute or two to dry, and we're going to apply our product. Alright guys, as you see here, I've placed a piece of tape on there. We're going to treat one side of the tire, leave the other side of the tire untreated so we can see what the gloss effect looks like. I'm also going to be using a clean tire dressing applicator. You can pick these up pretty much anywhere. This one came from Walmart. You can get them off Amazon, auto parts stores, and so forth. They recommend not spraying it directly onto the tire, to spray it into the applicator and then apply it to the tire. So see what it looks like. All right, we've got the product shaken up. We're going to open it up, and we're going to spray. They say spray a generous I'll get it right in a minute, portion into the applicator. All right, and we're going to apply it to the tire. That little bit went quite a long way. And I say give that about 10 to 15 minutes of cure time, and if you want more gloss you can add a second coating. So we're going to give that a few minutes and let that dry and see how it looks. All right, everybody, I moved the car over into the sun a little bit more where we can get a better look at the tire dressing. And that's one coat. And you can definitely see the difference. But that's nothing unusual. You can see the difference on most tire dressings. So I'm going to put a second coat on there and see what she looks like. All right, while we're waiting on that to dry, that's what that one looks like. Now this is a treated tire by the other product that I'm using. So old product, new product. Oh, it's so noisy around here. Trucks going up and down the highway, planes flying over. Well guys, that's two coats. We're going to see how long it lasts. I'll come back and do another video in a couple of weeks and I'll let you know how long this lasts. It's kind of a cross between a matte finish and a gloss finish. So there's the Adams and here is the other product I've been using. There is a difference. I think the Adams looks cleaner, got a little more shine to it. But we'll test the durability and get back with you. All right, guys, this was a nice short little product video. I hope maybe you might be willing to give this stuff a try. If you are, I'll drop a link in the information down below and let you know where I got it and what I paid for it. I think I picked this up on Amazon. It was about, well, between $17 and $25. I don't remember exactly. But anyway, the link will be down below. You can check it out in case you're interested. The sunlight is really making it hard to see the shine on these tires. The picture's not really doing it justice, but anyway, we're going to test it out for a few weeks, see how it works, and see if it lasts, and make sure it doesn't sling. So, guys, with all that being said, that's going to about do it for this particular video. If you stay to the end and you like what you're seeing, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop us a comment down below, clang on that notification bell so to let you know anytime we put up any new content. So guys, with all that being said, we'll see you on the next one.